Pajama Party. Hi, you're here for our pajama party. Have you ever been here this late? Well, we're just about to play Blue's Clues to figure out what Blue wants to do tonight. We're also going to do some exploring. Will you explore with us? Cool. Keep an eye out for those clues. And my slippers too. Do you see my fuzzy bunny slippers anywhere? Paprika needs her teddy bear and her pacifier, but we can't find them.
This peach is fuzzy, but it's not a teddy bear.
It's pretty dark in here. Got your night eyes ready? Do you see Paprika's pacifier and her teddy bear?
Thanks to you, Paprika is sound asleep. What a relief!
Nice job. Do you see any clues yet? Hey, I hear voices coming from outside. Do you see who is calling? Check this out! Hi, Shovel and Pail. What are you doing? We're playing nighttime flash and find. We can hear some animal sounds. Hoots, chirps, and squeaks too. Some animals must be awake at night. Can you see which animals are awake? Good job finding those animals. There's an owl, a cricket, a bat, and a raccoon. Hey, they need our help. Can you help the animals find what they're looking for? My hands are dirty. Is there a puddle where I can wash up?
I'm tired. Do you see a tree branch I can rest on? Glue, glue. I mean, who?
Can you help me find my friend? She's a cricket too. It's getting darker. We better get back inside. Whoa, what's going on in here? We're trying to get our pajamas on, but it's too dark. Where's my hat and slippers? This isn't mine. Where's my pajama top? It's pajama time. We better help. Can you pick out the clothes that belong to Tickety Talk, Slippery Soap, and Blue? Thanks for helping us find our pajamas. Can you help me find something else? I'm looking for the Big Dipper. It's a group of stars that looks like a big soup spoon. Did you see the Big Dipper? You did? Did you find all 3 clues too? It's time to go to the thinking chair. Now let's think. Our clues are a lamp, a book, and a sleeping bag. So what does Blue want to do tonight? We can get into our sleeping bags and turn on the lamp. That would give us light. But what will we do with the book? Read a book? Yeah! Blue wants to get into her sleeping bag and read a book by the light of the lamp. That's what she wants to do at our pajama party. We just figured out Blue's clues. Come on, let's all get into our sleeping bags and read a book. Hey, do you see Goodnight Bird on the shelf? It's one of Blue's favorite bedtime stories. What a perfect idea for our pajama party. Now if I can just find Horace, my stuffed anteater. Do you see Horace anywhere? That was a great story. Hey, it looks like everyone is asleep. Thanks again for your help and for coming to our pajama party. Good night. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Blue's Clues stories, check out my Blue's Clues playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the video and the channel. Thank you so much for your support. See you next time.